بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected parents and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope आप सब खैरियत से होंगे. Dear students, क्या आपने मैथ्स की वीडियोस देखी और आपने अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट किया तो उसको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर करें. आओ बच्चों अपनी क्लास शुरू करते हैं. This is your maths class. Now we will read numbers poem. 1, 2. How are you? 3, 4. Wash the floor. 5, 6. Touch your legs. 7, 8. Open the gate. 9, 10. Tiger in the den. Dear students, today our topic is formation of 4. आज मैं आपको 4 की फॉर्मेशन सिखाऊंगी. हवा में, रेत के ऊपर और मैट के ऊपर के 4 कैसे लिखा जाता है. ओके बच्चों, आज मैं आपको सबसे पहले हवा में 4 लिखना सिखाऊंगी कि 4 कैसे लिखा जाता है. तो बच्चों सबसे पहले अपनी 2 फिंगर्स को ऐसे करें. हाँ, बिल्कुल ऐसे करें. अब हम 4 लिखेंगे हवा में कि 4 कैसे लिखा जाता है. ऐसे करेंगे पहले. स्लैंटिंग डाउन and out, then straight down to make number 4. Again look at here. Slanting down, then out, then straight down to make number 4. Okay student, which number is this? 4. Very good. Now I will write again. Slanting down, out, then straight down to make number 4. So student, which number is this? 4. Which number is this? 4. Very good. बच्चों, जब हम हवा में 4 लिखते हैं तो हम 2 फिंगर से लिखते हैं. ठीक है बच्चों. अभी हम सेंड के ऊपर 4 लिखेंगे तो हम 1 फिंगर से लिखेंगे. लुक एट हियर, लाइक दिस. स्लैंडिंग डाउन, आउट, देन straight down to make number 4. Students, which number is this? 4. Which number is this? 4. Now I will write again. अभी मैं सेंड के ऊपर दोबारा लिख रही हूँ बच्चों. Look at here. Slanting down, out, then straight down to make number 4. Students, look at here. Which number is this? 4. Which number is this? 4. Okay student, look at here. Which number is this? 4. Now I will write on mat number 4. Look at here. Like this. Do like this. Slanting down, out, then straight down to make number 4. Again, look at here. Slanting down, out, then straight down to make number 4. Students, which number is this? 4. 4. Which number is this? 4. Which number is this? 4. Which number is this? 4. Now I will write again. Look at here. Slanting down, out, then straight down to make number 4. Yes, very good. Okay student, now open your book, page number 21. Page number 21. Yes. topic is trace and write for. Students, you will trace for, and these boxes you will write for in proper line. And look at this picture, you will color the four parrots. Now look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is four parrots. You will color this, and you will color the carrots. How many carrots are there? Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You will color this picture. Okay, now look at here. Now look at students. Now this is number 4 poem. Four parrots picking it carrots. Four green poly parrots picking it carrots, juicy and red, up and down and round about. They look well fed. Now I will read and poem. Tone. Four green poly parrots picking it carrots, juicy and red, up and down and up and down and round about. They look well fed. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अपना होमवर्क करके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर करें। बच्चों, आप अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما